How to downgrade Rekordbox 5 to Rekordbox 4 coming up in this video.
Consider subscribing if you already haven't and hit the bell button so you don't miss anything.
I experimented with Rekordbox 5 over the last few months. Rekordbox 5 is out now for a few months now. And I can officially say I don't like it. It's sometimes terribly slow when analyzing songs, when previewing songs, and when searching songs. Sorry, it isn't for me.
Although Pioneer claims it's faster, I'm still a bit skeptical because some things are just slower than Rekordbox 4 and a few updates didn't fix the problems. For example, previewing songs. When you click on a waveform, it takes Rekordbox 5 sometimes up to 5 or 10 seconds to play. And if you position your cursor in the song, it sometimes picks up a different spot in the waveform. Rekordbox 4 doesn't do that, and Rekordbox 4 plays instantly, and on the position you position your cursor. And sometimes searching is terribly slow, as where Rekordbox 4 displays results instantly.
What do? We downgrade from Rekordbox 5 to Rekordbox 4, and luckily that's very easy to do.
You need Rekordbox 4 for that. I hope you didn't delete Rekordbox 4, you can't find it anymore on Pioneer's website. I had to retrieve it from one of my backups. Go to the applications directory with Finder on the Mac. You will see the directory Rekordbox 5. Now copy over the Rekordbox 4 directory from your backup, so it's next to the Rekordbox 5 directory. Luckily Rekordbox 4 and Rekordbox 5 share the same library, so if you start Rekordbox 5 and make changes, then close Rekordbox 5, start Rekordbox 4, then the changes appear in Rekordbox 4. The data is shared between the two applications, though you can't run them at the same time. Now you can use Rekordbox 4 and 5 next to each other. In the applications directory in Finder you can start one or the other. Note that in Launchpad and the dock your icon will still start Rekordbox 5. You can easily replace the dock icon by dragging it out of the dock and wait until the message delete appears next to the dock icon. Now drag the Rekordbox 4 icon to the dock from the Rekordbox 4 directory in the applications directory in Finder.
I hope this was useful to you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!
You can support me for free by hitting the thumbs up button. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay updated.